Hey guys, this is Tie-Dye Tinman. I'm here with Frankie. Say hi, Frankie.
Hello.
We've been hanging out, just playing with the laser. We made a stamp today, my first ever stamp. Made it for my wife. I'll have that linked in the video, and it came out pretty good, I think. So we just been sharing files and talking and comparing notes and just hanging out, having fun. So how you been doing today, Frankie?
I've been doing good. Really been enjoying this visit.
Frankie's been giving me a bunch of tips, teaching me how to do stuff, and this man is the reason I got the laser. He inspired me. Of course, he inspires me a lot. We get together and we talk at church, and he inspires me to follow God closer. He inspires me with a lot of stuff that we do.
And learn to slow down and listen.
Yeah, he does inspire me to learn to slow down and listen. So,
Yeah.
anyways, I just wanted to take the chance to introduce my friend to y'all. And y'all have a blessed day.
And everybody check out my channel. White Wolf Adventures. Almost forgot that. On YouTube.
White Wolf Adventure. Y'all have a blessed day. Hey guys, this is the Tie-Dye Tinman. I'm here with my first ever stamp I made for my beautiful wife with her logo on it. Testing it out. What a pretty face.
Hello, everybody. Oops. And I think I got a dry ink pad. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's not going to test anything very good. I said, that's not going to test anything very good.
Nope. Are you still rolling?
Yes.
Sorry, say we could start over.
You might want to scoot it down so it's all on the wood.
It keeps moving with the tape.
There you go. It's not glued down yet, obviously.
Beautiful.
Yes, it worked.
Yay. Thank you. It's awesome.
Yes, Tie-Dye Tinman, make something beautiful, and y'all have a blessed day. God bless.